Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Chapter 2, Sankhya Yoga, Verse 22. Vasamsi jirnani yatha vihaya navani grinhati naroparani तथा शरीराणि विहाय जीर्णानि अन्यानि संयाति नवानि देहि. Padacheda, the splitting of the words. Vasamsi jirnani yatha vihaya navani grinhati naraha अपराणि तथा शरीराणि विहाय जीर्णानि अन्यानि संयाति नवानि देहि. Now the Anvaya, rearrangement of the words in the form of a sentence. Naraha, man, yatha, as, jirnani vasamsi, jirnani, old, vasamsi, garments, vihaya, abandoning, navani, new, aparani, other clothes, grinhati, takes, tatha, in the same way, Dehi, the embodied self. Jirnani, decrepit, the worn out. Sharirani, bodies. Vihaya, abandoning. Navani, new. Anyani, other bodies. Sanyati, enters, assumes. The simple meaning is, just as a man gives up old garments and puts on new ones, so the embodied self abandons decrepit or the worn out bodies and assumes new ones. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Tat Sat. Shri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu.